Hi there, I'm back. How is it going? I hope you're doing well. This week, as I hope you remember, we are making a stop motion movie using toys, the origami shapes that we did the other day, and whatever you have at home. Stop motion is a technique that needs a lot of patience because creates the illusion of movement, motion, through pictures, through frames. So I hope you take it easy and make the best of it, okay? Let's get down to it. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Let's start the tutorial. So, this is how I set the background. Okay. I will suggest to take a picture. So if you make the movie in different days, you will remember how everything is placed. It is not very centered. Okay, and okay, so I'm going to show you out of the 4 scenes that I made. This is the first one, the second one, and the fourth one. Okay. I'm going to show you how to do the third one. Yep. Okay, first of all, you may need a lamp, and then again, try to keep the same light, okay? Which is difficult, but anyway. And then most important of all is to get 2 things that will block your cell phone in order to have the same frame, okay? And you need to avoid any kind of movement. So there we go. We will put it in that little gap in the middle. So every time we press to take every picture, each picture, it won't move, okay? So let's get started. Okay, here we go. So the app that I've chosen is called Life Labs. Yeah. There are many apps to create stop motions, but I've chosen this one. Okay, so we open the app and press the blue circle. We can start. So basically, remember, stop motion is a technique where you take pictures and you put them right back to back to create the illusion of movement, of motion, okay? So it requires a lot of patience. Well, this is going to be the scene. The Lisa Simpson is going to drive, and as she drives terribly, very fast, Superman is going to start falling down. And in the meantime, Joker, the villain, is going to chase them, okay? With dynamite. So, we place the cell phone in the little structure that we created to hold it. Press it tight so it doesn't move. And remember to take a picture before, to have the same background, okay? So first of all, don't block the light before taking the picture, and be careful with your hands, showing your hands. Okay, so remember, now the first thing, we focus the image on the background, yeah, and we take the first picture. Press the blue circle, and then little by little, okay, here it comes. We show we take the first picture, which is going to show the wheel. Yeah, as you can see, this phantom kind of image, it shows the previous picture plus the picture you are going to take. Okay, so you will notice, you will tell the okay, yeah, this phantom image, you will know if there's a lot of distance, if this is close enough, okay, one picture to the other. Okay, can you see that? It shows the picture that I've just taken, the first one with the wheel, and the next one. So now we are ready. We place it a little bit, just a little bit farther, a little bit to the right. There we go, and we take one more picture, the third one, and so on, one more. Yeah, can you see that the distance is not much, so it will look more real, more as a video instead of pictures. There you go, just a little bit, be very gentle, very subtle. And then we can just focus. Now that the background is secondary, we can focus the the image on the wheel. Can you see? On the little truck / trolley that Lisa Simpson, the terrible driver, is driving. Can you see? Boom. One more picture. There we go. Okay, be careful with not pressing too hard, because the cell phone will move and that will unbalance the whole image in the background. Okay, now it shows up, Lisa shows up, so we can start turning, for example, her head to the camera. So turn a little bit, okay, and then picture. So remember, by the time that more or less the car will reach that point, she will turn completely. And just a little bit more, picture. And now remember, there are two movements on the making, right? The car moving and the vehicle moving, and Lisa's head turning. Okay, so remember, two movements, and we do both things, one and the other, and we take the picture. Okay, and now a new item, a new character, Batman. So we move his hand, we move Lisa's head and the vehicle. We have three objects, three things to be conscious about and aware, and that they need to change, to be changed, and to be okay. So we move just a little bit, the arm up, and now Iron's Man arm the same, because he's entering the scene. There we go. So we have four things to move: Lisa's head, the vehicle, Batman arm, and Iron Man arm. There we go. And remember the direction you are pulling, turning, or pushing everything. Okay. So now their arms are going up, and can you see the distance is not much? So we'll Okay, and now finally she's looking at the camera almost completely, and now we change the direction. They move it up. They raise their arms and their hands up, and I tend to pull to bring them down. Superman appears. I pull them. I pull it too much, so I'm turning it back. And picture. Batman appears, so I move his. There we go. I pressed too hard, so now the focus is gone. So I refocus the camera and take another picture. Awesome. Okay, so there we go. They were going down. Remember the direction of each part that you are moving. Now Superman is on the scene, so we start moving his arm. There we go. And now it gets kind of harder, right? But don't worry, be patient. Be patient, breathe in, breathe out. This is going to take long, but it's going to be worth it, okay? The result, it's so much fun. Yeah. Okay. And now Lisa starts turning her head back to the front. Okay. Now there is that new movement that you need to remember, the new subtle change that you have to make on the scene. And remember, now the arms of two superheroes are going down. Superman. Now we can start moving his head a little bit, why not? And Superman just falling back. Okay, and also the arm. And picture shot. Strike your pose. And now a little bit more, bending down, bending back, and the capes, because we forgot that the wind is blowing, right? And now Lisa is almost just back to normal, back to the beginning. Yeah, picture. Bong, smile, cheese. Uh-oh. Not yet, not ready. There we go. And now it's time for the capes. Yeah. The vehicle, the cape, because the wind is blowing, we want to give that illusion that. There we go. And later on we will move Iron Man's head as he realizes that Superman is falling. Okay, be careful, because once you move and you press too hard on the toys, the whole thing moves. Oh my god. And there you go, the cape. Remember, it was going up, okay? So remember that sequence, up, and then once it reaches the top, down again. Yeah, okay, and now we're changing the head because he's so angry that Lisa is driving as a bullet so fast that he gets mad. Like, what the hell are you doing, Lisa? Since you're not even allowed to drive a vehicle. You're underage. Oh dear. Okay, and then capes, arms, heads, the same. There we go. Now, there we go. Iron Man realizes, like, oh no, my mate is falling because of this little kid driving recklessly. And there we go. Picture. Can you see how the previous phantom image, his head, his face looked happy and smiley, and now is the new one. there we go, we turn the head, the cape up, okay, and so on. The thing is, well, this scene, precisely this scene, out of the 4, it took me 27 minutes to do. Okay, and the video, this scene just lasts, guess, yeah, 10 to 12 seconds. It's amazing, isn't it? So fast. But okay, that's the thing. Okay, and now we see how Iron Man is helping him to pull him back and bring him back. The cape down, and now the Joker appears. Yeah, just little by little, remember. And that's it. And the scene continues. Yeah, Iron Man brings him back, pulls him back, and yeah, and then the vehicle on all of them go to the right, and they're out of the scene. And that's it. Okay, so this is how you make stop motion. I hope that you've been creative enough, that you're telling a story with every scene that you've recorded, every masterpiece, okay? And you give it some twists and some different components to it, okay? So, bye! So that's it. We're done for today. I hope you've done it very successfully and that you created amazing stop motion movies. So stay tuned for next week video, okay? Take care. Bye.